Hello and welcome to my channel. Screws, I already took them out. 2 nuts, 13 millimeters. 13 millimeter, I believe. 13, no, I'm sorry, 14 millimeter. Well, there's one there and there's one there. Take them out. Once you take it out, we gotta do is just pull on the seat and voila, there's the seat bucket out of the Maserati. Hello y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm about to install the Maserati Granturismo rear seats. I removed them earlier due to the fact that I needed to route a camera cable so I could actually have a wireless camera. No, my bad. So I could have a camera in the back of the car. Nothing impossible, it's just I couldn't find a YouTube video anywhere how to get the seats out of the car. So I'm making my own video to share with the fellow Maseratians. Of course, I gotta get myself in there. I am a very petite person. I can fit anywhere just about, so I am working my way in. That way I can keep the camera rolling over there. Alright, so here we go. There should be, there's really no catch. Just you have to insert one screw in this hole. Now the trick to remove it is, guess what? You have to pull hard on this portion right here. That's it, that's the trick. When you pull hard, oh wait a minute, seat belts. I'm forgetting about the important thing. I will put the seat back and leave the seat belts out. No senor, I'm working the seat belts back in. I almost forgot about an important part of the back seats. My kids, seatbelts, passengers, guests. Alright, so seatbelts are back where they need to be. Now there is a screw in here. I need to line up. Where is the screw? I lost track of it. Give me a second. Oh, there it is. Okay. Like the song says, despacito. Yes. So once I put the nut in there, nutty nut, that's a 14 millimeter. I will use just this right here. More practical. I'm gonna start it. Well, I can start it with the driver. Hopefully I don't drop it. But I gotta push on it. Get it to engage somewhat. Now, there's engagement. It's multiple threads. So now right below it, there's 2 more. But these are bolts. They're also, I believe, either 13 or 14. I think it's a 13 for the bolts, 14 for the nut. Taking a 13 out. No, actually, ironically, I'm sorry, this is a 12. Never mind, they're all 13s. My bad. That's actually that was a 13 millimeter. Wait a minute, this is 14. Where's my 13? Hello, hello. Oh, I have misplaced the 13. Okay, 13. Let me grab the right tool for the right job. Not the wrong tool for the wrong job. Okay, so I believe like that. Yep, they're all 13s. So if you wish to spin it with a wrench, I have this right here so I can spin it with a wrench. Okay, let's get in there. Oh my, you all heard that, right? All right, let's pause this video. I dropped the socket. This has to come out again. My goodness, I don't think I have. Well, man, I might have an access to it here. Oh, Jesus. Go figure. Johnny. Well, you saw how. Oh, ironically, I need a. Well, I can use a 14 to get it out. I don't know if that's the right thing to do, but it's going to have to happen. There's no catch to catch the seat. Of course, hold the nut because the nuts it will come out really easy. Oh, goodness. Okay, bring this up again. And I feel for it somewhere here, which I can't feel nothing. Feel nothing. It fell into the metal area. So, somewhere here there is a socket. Where did it go, George? Oh, of course, it's not some of this backseat situation going on over here. Where did it go, George? George, where's the socket? I guess I have to pull the seats out. There she is. Of course, it was an area, a little ledge that would not allow it to do anything. Okay. Back to step one again. There is no retainer catches to catch the seats on the Maserati. There's none, really, for real. There's something in the bottom, but I don't think that's much of a catch, really. Just it's like a little loop that holds it in place. I almost forgot that there is also, I think, the fact that it's also the buckles for the seats. I know this is getting kind of cheesy. Johnny here, freaking doing all this stupid work and not being productive. Drop the nut. There you go. What happened was, I guess the reason was so tight, wouldn't go in first, because I cut the buckle, the seatbelt buckle, on the way in with this. Are you for real, Johnny? Oh my God. Now you all heard the second fall. So, let it be known that things can really happen in twos and threes. For the magnets in the house, which in the garage, really. All right, let's try to do this again. Round 3. This time I will put the flipping socket, the nut. Okay, give me a second, y'all. I have a guest. Another one of my girls wants me to work on her car. But I gotta secure the seat. Yes. Okay. Alright, the seat is secure. I'm holding the socket, that way the socket doesn't come out. Now there's some screws I have to put back in here. Gotta find the hole for the screws. Yes. One screw, I got some thread engaged. Yes. Yes. Next screw. I see I got everything on baggies right here. Baggies. 30mm head. You gotta work your way around this stuff. Oh yeah, I engage some threads. Those right there, I will engage them with the, let me just tighten up the top one. I'm tight. Hold the socket. Now, the next trick is, stick a wrench in there and spin them with a wrench. Actually, they're hand spinnable. Hand spinnable. Hello.
Are you setting up your video camera?
Yeah, welcome to my channel.
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome. It's not live, I'm recording the process of putting the seat back on.
Oh, cool.
But I took him out to get the camera wire running. Tells me it was a tedious task.
I know, and then you told me that you could have just used a transmitter.
Right, but I said, screw it. I got the wire already going. It's going. Did I say the seat's back on?
Cool.
Voila. Bye-bye.
Is it done?
Okay, let's do the bottom of the seat pan. I believe this is the correct one for the side. I'm not sure. I gotta see if I have something about this one, maybe. Let's see. I think this is the left side. I'm sorry, the right side. Yep, that's it. That is the right side, passenger side. Let's go to the next one. How to tell the difference? It's not that hard. It's not that difficult, really. What you'll see is that there's a little lump here on the side, and that one actually will go one way. Let's line up the hardware here, the bottom. Straight shooter. There's no science to this. It just goes in. There's nothing really retaining it much except for the little nut right here I'm about to put on. I don't know if the video is okay to watch right now. I don't know how dark it is. Hopefully, the only thing I hope is that I do not drop this silly nut. I'll be quite angry if I drop it, because there's not angry, but you know what I mean. See if I can start it by hand first. Hand spinning first. It's spun by hand. Let me get it. Let me do a close up to that. Oh, use the GoPro, no light. I'm not sure if I'm getting a good lighting right here. Let's see. The idea is that it is right down there. Then the other one is over yonder there. Bear with me, people. What's my hand on? It's in. So I just take now Amos. Anyways. Again, this is the passenger side. It's just very simple to install. There's again the location down there for to line up the screws that come out of the car are down there. Hand tighten it first, that way you don't drop the nuts. You have to remove it again. It's easy to hand tighten. Then a 30mm socket will do the job to tighten them up. They're lug nuts, so hand tight to the end is fine. So there's the seats back installed in the Maserati.